The Teatro alla Scala in Milan, commonly known as La Scala, is one of the most famous and prestigious opera houses in the world. Opened on August 3, 1778, the theater is located in the heart of Milan and has hosted some of the greatest operas and ballet performances in history. History. The theater was commissioned by Empress Maria Theresa of Austria to replace the Teatro Regio Ducale, which was destroyed by fire in 1776. The building was designed by architect Giuseppe Pier Marini and constructed in just 2 years. Inauguration. The first performance was Europa riconosciuta by Antonio Salieri. Architectural features. Interior. La Scala is renowned for its excellent acoustics and luxurious interior, adorned with red velvet, gold, and stucco decorations. Seating. The theater has a large stage with about 2,000 seats, distributed among the stalls, boxes, and gallery. Renovations. Over the years, La Scala has undergone various renovations, the most recent of which was completed in 2004, improving acoustics and modernizing facilities. Cultural significance. Premieres. Many famous operas by composers such as Verdi, Puccini, and Rossini premiered at La Scala. Orchestra and choir. The Teatro alla Scala orchestra and choir are internationally renowned. Ballet School. La Scala also hosts a prestigious ballet school, the Accademia Teatro alla Scala Ballet School, which trains world-class dancers. Events and traditions. Opera season. La Scala's opera season traditionally begins on December 7th, the feast day of St. Ambrose, the patron saint of Milan. Gala evening. The opening night is a significant social and cultural event, often attended by prominent personalities. Museo Teatrale alla Scala. Collections. The theater houses a museum that preserves costumes, set designs, musical instruments, and other historical memorabilia related to the theater and opera history. Exhibitions. The museum organizes exhibitions and events celebrating the history of music and theater. Therefore, the Teatro alla Scala is not only a performance venue but also a symbol of Italian and global operatic culture and history. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button and the notification bell for notification. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.